folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I am at CTSR for their Christmas race championship, although it's not called the Christmas race anymore. I'm not sure why, but for this year it's called the Rock 2024, and this is their on-road event. And we've been here for 2 days already, so we did 2 seeds yesterday, 3 quals so far today, and we're going to do our first mains tonight. Everyone gets triple mains, so after my 2 seeds and 3 quals, I have now locked in on where my main start positions are. The first race I'm going to be in is stock sedan 21.5 with the Mugen-Seiki with this body on it. And we're just kind of briefly going to go over where we've changed some things over where I normally run at my club racing series. I ended up having the gear way up. I wasn't sure at the start, and it's a subtle difference. It's within 1 to half a second per lap difference. But I've gone from a 47.96 up to a 51.96, which changes my FDR from around 3.8 to down to a 3.57. So that's where I'm at for gearing. The other thing is weight. Making some adjustments where I can now run my lower profile lighter battery because I was still overweight. I was coming off at like 1396 and the minimum you can run is 1320, so it's ideal. It's in your best interest to get as close to the minimum weight you can to get the most benefit out of the power to weight ratio. So your target is 1320 grams in Touring Car 21.5. I am sitting, the way it sits right now with the body and the clips on it, I am sitting at 1324. So I went to my lower profile battery, I put a little weight up front, and I've got it shimmed here so that I can keep my little shims and weights and stuff in position so I can run my taller battery if I want to and not be too far off for weights wise, so I can use that for tuning. But I like it better with the low profile Genzace 5800. And for the championship races here at CTSR, you have to run the tire for the weekend. So as part of the entry fee, you have to buy the slick stock sedan tires, which have markings on the inside to say they're from this event. You can probably see it through that little peak there. They've got a little pink mark on them. So everyone has to run a fresh brand new tire at the start of the event. And we're going to do triple mains. I have qualified myself at the very top of the C. I was really hoping I was going to make it into the B, but we just didn't quite get there. So I'm starting in pole position in the C main. This is the track layout. You see a little car going around here. We're just on practice session right now before the first main start. And yeah, my first run up will be in stock sedan 21.5, starting in pole position on the C main. So the best that I can do, because there's no bump ups, the best that I can do right now is win the C in touring cars. So that's going to be the plan. See if we can do it with this Mugen-Seiki MTC2R. I've been pitting all weekend with these guys. These are my friends from Pembroke, Ontario, and they race. This is Jim. He's on Team S-Works and a bunch of other stuff. Team Powers, Team JNT, and Promotion. Yes. And he runs 8 scale, 10 scale,
by Brandon.
12 scale bodies by Brandon, and all his new paint. Where's your new paint? There's the new bodies by Brandon paint job. So yeah, 12 scale stuff. I've never ran 12 scale. It's just not my thing, but he's really enjoying this GT12 class, which is a rubber tire, a 21.5 motor, and a more sedan style body versus a normal 12 scale. It's the flying wedge type of body on a 12 scale, and same chassis, just different electronics, different bodies, different tires than 12 scale. Which I don't do 12 scale, but these guys are having a blast on 12 scale this weekend.
Scared.
And yeah, I am scared because these are fiddly. One wall hit and then you're getting a tweak out of it and having to replace the tires and all kinds of stuff when you take wall hits. Anyway, good luck on your mains, guys.
Thanks.
Actually, this is Dean. He's running the new LMH class for the first time this weekend. Can I see your LMH body? So these are the new LMH bodies from Le Mans Hypercar. And they're taking a touring car, a 4-wheel drive touring car with a 25.5 motor and these new bodies. And there's only so many, there's like 5 sanctioned bodies right now. 1 from Exotech and like 4 from Montech. Do you know what this one is?
Monotech.
This is a Montech body that he painted up right before the weekend. It's his first time running it. Seems to be doing well. Also, you're on a slick tire on the Le Mans Hypercar. So it's very close to what USGT used to be, but you do not run a USGT tire. Now you're on a slick with the new body and a slower motor. So yeah, and he's running 3 classes and doing great this weekend, as all these guys are. Everyone's having a great time at CTSR The Rock 2024. Colton Vogel is here running 4-wheel drive touring car mod, fastest class with all the A-mainers, creme of the creme, top of the top, best of the best. Good luck on your mains, buddy.
Thank you.
Where did you seed in your run?
I
Don't know. Oh, you'll be in the very last one, didn't? Oh, they changed it.
There's 3 heats.
One.
P4.
P4. That's a chance at podium.
Yep.
So is this the 2024 X-Ray?
Yep.
Yeah, this is the 2024 X-Ray X4 with a bunch of hootie and tuning stuff on it. He's got the shorty mod, all the special weights. There's a really cool weight that goes under the battery that I've never really understood why they put that groove in until I saw that. I was like, oh, that's what it's for. They make a weight that goes in the little groove. Anyway, pretty sweet looking. Another Bodies by Brandon racer. Sweet new paint, looking good. All right, we're getting ready to queue up for C1 main. I'm starting in pole position.
Starting first from the C1 touring stock, John Kennedy.
That's me. Oh, my car shut off. Hold on.
No way.
Yeah, the car's turned off. What happened? Hold on. Car's off. Oh, it just turned off on the line.
Don't know.
Let's just take a look. What in the world? No. I didn't even hit anything. It just doesn't work anymore. It just doesn't. It just died on the line. It's got its lights on, but it's got nothing.
Unplug the battery and plug it back.
Yeah, I did. Well, we've already checked it, but it's not. Whoa, where did that go? Must be a receiver connection, maybe. I don't think the receiver has power.
How's the weld on the motor?
I think it's all there.
Capacitor's good.
The ESC is getting power.
ESC's not going link.
It's acting like the receiver's not doing anything.
Yeah.
Because you're not getting any power to your...
To the servo. The servo's not getting
servo's
power.
got no power, neither does the transponder.
But the motor's not going either, so I don't think I'm going to make this. I'll just take it as the drop. That's true. The transponder's not lighting up, is
Yeah,
it?
transponder's not lighting up either.
But everything's off right now.
If this plugs in and works, then you're good. If not, then I'd say drop it.
Yeah, we're okay. We're on the right car.
Yeah.
No, I'm out.
See? It's got to be a receiver, dude.
So the only thing that's in there now is
ESC.
the fan, right?
No, that's ESC.
That is ESC.
Yep.
On. Radio's on. Is there a light on this?
No.
No.
So it's either that or the ESC.
Hold on, you can test that with
I've got a spare receiver in my kit. I'll just plug it into the spare receiver and see if the light turns on. That is so weird. Oh my god, speed control? See, the other thing, it should be blinking and the fan should be running. Oh.
ESC, man. Or BEC. So I'm wondering if there's a short. Not completely dead, right?
No, because we checked it. I went through check.
Oh, right.
It's fully charged. Like everything. Oh my god, this is cool. Okay, so that got pretty chaotic. I don't know how much of that I got on camera, but on the line, on the start line, my car just died. I queued up in the start position. They called out the names that I was starting in pole position. I noticed that my tire was to the side. I tried turning, wouldn't turn anymore. Car was just dead. This speed control, which is a XR10 stock spec, I believe it's the 80 amp one. It's not the newest one, but it's close. Is failed, totally dead, internally dead. We tried it with no fan. Stripped out as much stuff. I took the sensor wire off. It is dead. We just temporarily plugged in this XR10. I had this with me as a spare. This is intended for my off-road buggy, but it'll work in this case. This is a much higher end speed control. We just temporarily plugged into the battery, got it to power up. As soon as the ESC powered up, the receiver lit up. So it is a speed control failure, because no matter what we did with this speed control hooked up, the receiver light, the receiver LED would not come on. That's got to be it. I mean, the only thing that's different is the motor connections. If I end up resoldering the new ECC to the motor, and then it still doesn't work, then the motor has somehow shorted itself out completely, but I doubt that's the case. I think this is probably just this kind of lower end used for 2 or 3 years speed control has failed. So we will get rid of this, put in the true XR10 Pro and see what happens. All right, it's day 3 at the RC track. We're gonna go out for the last mains. We have to do main 2, main 3 today. This Sedan left me on the line. The speed control that I had in it blew up on the line at the start of C1 main, so I wasn't able to run it. We rushed it back to the pits, tried to figure what was wrong, and it was the speed control just failed internally. I had a spare backup ESC with me, this XR10 Pro G2 Elite, which was always destined for my off-road buggy, but since I had it with me as a backup, we put it in this, so it is just barely fits in there with the cat pack and everything. And so I've changed the speed control. I kept the same gearing, but got new gears that are actually mine because I was on borrowed parts before. So we're ready to rock with Sedan, and we're going to see if we can win this main. We're going to start in pole position in the touring stock C main. All right, we are getting ready to do C2 main. So the car has a new speed control in it. Checked it last night. I had to figure out all my programming because I couldn't get any data off the old one. So I'm glad I stayed late last night to get it dialed in. And I think it's pretty. Whoa, whoa! Traction rolled.
Sérieux? Quelqu'un fait cela, là, il arrache une moitié du char.
And starting first on the grid, on the touring stock C main, John Kennedy.
Yes. Carson, yes. I had to replace the whole speed control. It just died, yeah.
Driver, est prêt? John, ready?
Ready?
Less than 5.
Oh.
Et après 40 secondes, on va regarder le verteur pour un bouchon. Suivi de Buggy qui vient comme ça. Louis Kelly, Eric et Joe. Maintenant, le leader de Pink Car. Un peu plus d'une minute de fait, on a toujours Nathaniel Bertel avec une bonne avance de Louis Kelly. John Militaire, 3e, Guy de Lyon, 4e, Joe, 5e, Claude, 6e et Eric, 7e. La voiture la plus rapide présentement sur la piste, c'est Marc-André Bertel avec un 11-2, Louis de 5, environ 6, 11-7 pour John, 11-2 aussi pour Joe, 11-8 pour Claude, 11-8 pour Eric. Attention le sweeper. Oh. On arrive à la mi-course, on a toujours position, suivi de John Kennedy, 5e, Olivier Guérin, 3, Louis Cadieux, 4, Eric, 5e position, 6 pour Claude et 7e pour Joe. Le leader de la voiture rouge, le leader de bagarre pour la troisième position entre Olivier et Louis. Passage de Louis ici.
Body talk, body talk, body talk, body talk.
Changement de position. Leader, c'est Olivier. Toujours accordé, John, Louis, Eric, Claude et Joe. 3 minutes et demie de fait, 1 minute et demie à compléter.
Tighten up my lines, losing way too much.
7 secondes d'avance sur John, John est second, avec 5 secondes d'avance sur Olivier. Il y a une mince avance de 7 dixièmes de seconde sur Louis. Et Eric s'approche à 3 dixièmes de Louis.
45 seconds left.
On a la bagarre pour la 3e place.
Come on, bro.
Et là, Eric gagne à 3-4-5 sur la ligne droite.
I don't know where the leader is.
Racing, guys, racing. Oh, passage de Louis ici. « 15 secondes à faire, il reste 2 tours environ. Olivier, 3e, Louis, 4e. Petite erreur d'Olivier. Ce sera le dernier tour.
All right, second. Marc Andre got it.
All drivers are finished.
Nice, nice. All right. Whew. All right. Good race, guys. That was fun. Okay, guys, that was Tour Stock. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you're new here, subscribe. You want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.